I have found the best brioches recipe that I made for my picnic. So here is the recipe for you, my loves. First of all, you will need 400 milliliters of warm milk, not very warm, not very cold, 700 grams of flour, 4 spoons of sugar, and 8 grams of dry yeast. So first of all, you will start by putting the milk in a recipient with the sugar, and then you mix a bit, and then afterwards you add the dry yeast. Remember, it's 10 milligrams of dry yeast only. And remember to mix correctly because this will activate your yeast and make your brioches very fluffy and rise. Then add the 2 eggs that I forgot to mention in the beginning, and then mix again until it's very mixed all together. And then I put this mixture after covering it. Well, I add first of all a little bit of butter. So here I did like about 30 milligrams of butter with a little bit of salt. I cover it, then I put it in a hot spot for 10 minutes. Oh, look at that! Our yeast has worked its magic. So now it's time to pour this foamy goodness into our flour mixture. And let's knead the dough together. And of course, when you are kneading the dough all together with a spoon, afterwards you're gonna do it with your hand. So make sure you clean your hands beforehand. So you mix, and if ever you feel that you need more flour, then add more flour. After that, you add 50 milligrams of butter to your dough and you mix. And I cannot tell you how satisfying this is to just knead your dough and feel this between your fingers. And after that, you put the dough in a recipient and you cover it up and you let it rise for about 1 hour or 1 hour and a half. It depends on the temperature. And look at that. Oh, that seems amazing. The dough has completely risen, okay? Beautifully. And let's knead it once more with our hands. And now it's time to make our baking shapes. So I went for a flower baking shape because I wanted to put my cheese in the middle for my picnic, but it depends on you. So remember that it's going to rise again for 10 to 15 minutes once you shape all your dough. In the meantime, let's prepare our egg wash and put it and brush it gently on your brioches. I added some grains, but it's totally up to you. And look at the beautiful result and how it ended up on my picnic table. And you can watch the whole video of the picnic. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up and comment down below about what you think about this recipe. Thank you so much for watching.